was recording, got this nice little white bass here. Nice guy. Haven't caught one of these in a while. What's up, y'all? We back doing some fishing at the Connecticut River. It's beautiful out today. Not on Father's Day. We got nice little tankers right here. Look at this guy. He's helping us catch some fish. I already caught a couple. Just doing this intro right now. Want to show my face more in the videos. So, yeah. Let's get to it. You know, I told you I left there.
Yeah.
Oh. Then I went back. Probably. Oh, yeah. Oh, yellow one.
Yep.
Oh, never mind. White bass.
Oh, you got a nice little hole right there.
Oh, yeah.
You got some pan fryers right there, man.
Hell yeah. This is a nicer one.
It is. Shit, we'll come down here and get some, man. I'll throw a bunch of them on the grill tonight.
Hell yeah. It's golden. Yes, sir.
Nice.
That's good, because usually when I come here, you're hyping it up, get skunked.
It's usually good.
We're getting them now.
Like this spot better, but right here's some good too.
Yeah.
You found a nice little hang hole there.
Hell yeah.
There's one more of those. We'll hang my laundry up there.
All right, dude. Oh, I think I already have one. Just put it down. Yep. There's another one. We found a little school of these guys. I barely catch these, so it's fun. Oh, fallfish. That's something different. Fallfish and some white bass. Yeah, fallfish is weird. Weird little fish. Let this guy go. That's crazy, he hit that on the drop. It's good fishing so far, man. Look at this guy. Hey, buddy. Tankers. We got the man. Tankers right here. I think this is a smallie. It's fighting like one. Oh, yeah. Yeah, there he is. Nice little smallie. Nice. Yeah. Got a smallie for a change. That's awesome. He definitely fought like one. Yeah, got a nice little smallie right there. Nice little skinny guy. Fought very hard, though. That's what you love about these fish. The sheer power in them. Thanks, bud. Awesome. Multi-species day. We got 3 different species so far. That is an awesome way to start the day. Got this piece of cut bait here. It's some of that white perch, the first one that I caught. So we're gonna toss this guy out. Hopefully can land a nice catfish on this. That's what I'm hoping for. Now the river's hot, so I'm optimistic about it. Oh shit. Get hit. Just ready to pack up my stuff and move just a little over, and we got a bite. Another white bass. Hell yeah. Fish number 5, nice little white perch. There he goes. These guys are nice little fighters. Got this guy. It's getting a little dark. I'm trying to get a fire started. Yeah, another nice little one. I don't know if you guys can see it well. Little white bass. White perch. My bad. I keep saying that.